If you want to use your Microsoft Windows computer to make presentations, you have to connect it to a projector or to an external monitor. In order to do that, first of all, you join the cable, of course, and after that, you might want to select the appropriate projector settings. So to quickly access the projection settings, you hold the Windows key on your keyboard and then the P key. So Windows P. So once you press that, you'll have this option right over here. So here you have some options, as you can see. So first one is PC screen only. That means if you were to choose this option, then it won't throw in anything to the projector. Sometimes what happens is that you are connected to the projector, but it is not projecting anything, and it may be because it is on this mode right over here. If you want to project everything as exactly the same as what you see on your computer screen to the projector, then you might want to use this option called duplicate right over here. So whatever you see on your monitor, so let's say you're demonstrating an application or showing up a web page, and whatever you see on a monitor, you want to present it onto the other computer, you might want to use the duplicate option right over here. The other option over here is extend, as you can see. So what you see on your personal computer monitor and what your audiences see through the external monitor or through the projector is different. So you may want to work on some tab over here and then drag it out to the other computer, projection window later on for the audience to see. Then you may want to use extend, and this is the default method used by the latest PowerPoint as well. So that's extend. You have the presenter view on your computer, and then you have the extended view on the projector. You can also turn off your computer monitor entirely. That is, you can turn off your personal computer monitor off and then just choose the second screen only, so only the projector screen is active. So this is something you can do as well when you want to play a video and then want to give your computer screen a rest as well. So these are the 4 projection options right over here. The easiest way to go through is duplicate if you're very new to presenting, and if you're more of advanced presenter, and if you're used to like working on a single screen and then presenting a different thing to the audience, then you might want to move on to extend later on. You also have this new option to connect to a wireless display, so it'll show the supported wireless displays in case they are available right over here. As you can see right over here, I got 2 options. Of course, this is the speaker, which is already paired right over here, but here you can see that there's a generic monitor which I can connect to if I want to project it onto that through a wireless display as well. So these are the projection options that Microsoft Windows 10 provides, and if your projector is not working even after you connect the cable, it may be because you haven't pressed Windows P and then chosen duplicate or extend or second screen only. So it may be in the setting, and this is a quick way to troubleshoot that as well. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.